The king of Android is back, and it's not just a phone, it's a privacy beast. This is the new Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Samsung just dropped this at Unpacked, and there are 3 features that change everything. Let's dive in. Feature 1. The world's first privacy display. First up, the screen. It looks like a standard 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED, right? Wrong. This is the world's first built-in privacy display. With a double press of the side button, the screen blacks out for anyone looking from an angle. No more nosy neighbors on the subway seeing your bank app or private chats. It's integrated at the pixel level, and it's a total game changer for security. Feature 2. Pro-grade optics, f/1.4 aperture. Next, let's talk about that camera island. While the 200-megapixel sensor sounds familiar, the hardware is revamped. We now have a massive f/1.4 aperture on the main lens. That's 47% more light than last year. Combined with the new APV codec for professional video editing, this thing is basically a pocket cinema camera. Low-light shots are now grain-free, even at 10 times digital zoom. Feature 3. Agentic AI and Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. But the real brain is the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. It's 39% faster in AI tasks. Why does that matter? Because of Agentic AI. You don't just ask Bixby or Gemini questions anymore. They actually do things for you across apps. Ordering groceries or managing your calendar happens in the background while you're doing something else. It feels less like a tool and more like a personal assistant. It's slimmer, it's faster, and it finally charges to 75% in just 30 minutes with super fast charging 3.0. Is the S26 Ultra worth the upgrade? Or are you sticking with the S25? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to hit subscribe for the full camera test coming tomorrow.